How to make your woman to become scared of losing you. If you have gotten to that point in your relationship or marriage where your woman now takes you for granted, she no longer values you, she now feels that she can do without you, then this is the time to teach her a lesson. Now, in this video, I'm going to be giving you about 5 different ways to make your woman to become scared of losing you. The first one is have boundaries. The reason why most men is as if that their women don't value them or no longer values them is because you don't have boundaries. When your woman misbehave, you call her to order. You always set your boundaries. When a woman knows that this my man has boundaries, she'll become scared of losing you because she knows that if she trespasses those boundaries, you are going to carry out the consequences that you told her. Probably you told her, if you do this, I'm going to leave you. When a woman knows that you're the kind of guy who doesn't tolerate BS, you don't tolerate bullshit, you don't tolerate nonsense, she's going to respect herself more. And when a woman is always respecting herself, she's going to respect you more and she's going to value you more. Setting boundaries is the easiest way to make your woman to be constantly at her best behavior. When you don't have boundaries, when you don't have rules, when you don't have regulations guiding your relationship, your woman is most likely going to misbehave. And from misbehaving, she's going to lose the value she has for you. So in all you do with women, always set boundaries. It's very, very important. Now, the second thing you must do if you want your woman to value you more is become more attractive. Work on your skin. Wear nice clothes. Dress well. Smell well. Have a nice physique. Hit the gym. Basically, keep improving yourself. The more you keep improving yourself as a man, the more attractive you become. And when your woman knows that other girls are constantly looking at you, when two of you go out, probably you guys go out to the mall, to the cinema, that other girls, other young girls, beautiful girls are always looking at you. She becomes scared that if I don't behave very well, that one of these small girls might snatch my man from me. That will make her to be constantly at her best behavior. That will make her to value you more. When she sees that other women are looking at you, she will value you more because women value men who other women want. If she knows that other girls don't want you, she'll start taking you for granted because you have no sexual market value. But when you have other women chasing after you, circling around you like sharks, she becomes scared that this my man is a hot cake. I must protect him by all means. That will make her to value you more. That will make her to treat you like a king. Because if care is not taken, you could easily slip out of her hands. And she doesn't want that. The third way to make your woman to value you is never stop increasing your finances. Never stop increasing your financial value. When you don't have money as a man, your woman could easily disrespect you because you're not able to fulfill your duties as a husband, as a boyfriend, which is providing for her. But when you have enough money to spoil her, to provide for her, to give her the kind of lifestyle she wants, she will see more value in you. She will see more reasons to stay with you. So this is why whenever a man goes broke, most times their women will start disrespecting them, will start talking to them anyhow because they're no longer getting the benefits they were getting from that man before. So in all you do as a man, never lose your financial value. Keep working hard. Keep upskilling yourself. Keep expanding your business. Keep making money. Because one of the things that make women to respect men is your ability to provide. If you're not able to provide for your woman, most likely, she's going to start disrespecting you. No matter how well behaved that woman is, most times, if you're not able to fulfill your duties as a man, she will disrespect you. So constantly increase your financial value and your woman will value you extremely. Extremely, she will value you to the extreme. The fourth point is never lose your frame. One of the things that make women scared of losing a man is their men always been the type of man that they can run to whenever they have problems. Their men always been the kind of man that can protect them. Once you lose your ability to protect your woman, that woman will stop being scared of losing you. She'll stop seeing value in you. No matter what you do in this life, there are 2 things that you must never do if you really want your woman to value you. One is never stop providing for your woman. And 2, never give a woman that impression that you are weak or too emotional. Always be in your masculine frame. Always show your woman that you have that capacity to protect her emotionally, physically, and mentally. The moment you start becoming weak, the moment you start losing your frame, Your woman, something will happen to her, she will start arguing, and you follow her to argue. You start exchanging words with your woman. She will call you a fool, you call her back a fool. Two of you start having arguments. Two of you start shouting at each other, insulting each other. That is you losing your masculine frame. You have entered into that feminine mode, which can make any woman to disrespect and look down on you. No matter what your woman says or does, never argue with her. Never show too much weakness. When you have problems, don't break down and start crying to your woman. That will make your woman to start looking down on you. Because at that point, you've lost your masculinity, which women never find attractive. Yeah. The moment you start crying, yeah, on social media, women always say nothing is as attractive as a man showing his vulnerability. I don't know if I pronounced it well. Vulnerability. Yeah. They come to social media and say all those things. But in actual sense, the moment you break down or you start crying, that woman will start looking down on you. The moment you start complaining too much, that woman will start looking down on you. And once a woman starts looking down on you, she will no longer become scared of losing you. She will no longer be scared of losing you because you've shown to her that you're weak. And women don't value weak men. So that will make her not to be scared of losing you. So in all you do as a man, never lose your masculine frame. Never be weak. Never show emotions. It's okay to show emotions once in a while, but never make it a habit to be crying, to be complaining to your woman. That woman will be the one to even leave you. So avoid these kind of things. Avoid it by all means. The fifth way to make her to be scared of losing you is live an interesting life. Some of you guys, when you get into a relationship with a woman, you stop relating with your friends. You stop relating with even your family. You basically pause every single aspect of your life to focus solely on this, your girlfriend. When your life revolves around the woman, she's going to get over familiar with you. She's going to, in Nigeria here, we call it see finish. She's going to see you finish because your life now revolves around her. You're always calling her, you're always texting her, you always want to spend time with her. That woman will get tired of you. And once a woman is tired of you, she will not be scared of losing you. She will start, you will lose the value you have in her eyes. So, even if you have a girlfriend, even if you have a wife, live an interesting life. Have things, have hobbies, things of interest that you do outside of your relationship. Live an interesting life. It's better that a woman is begging for attention than she's tired of you giving her too much attention. Understand what I said? It's better that a woman is begging you for attention than that she's tired of you giving her too much attention. Live an interesting life. When a woman sees that her man is living an interesting life, she will compete more for your attention. And that will make her to value you more. And that will make her to become even more scared of losing you. Because women are always scared of losing guys who live interesting lives.